Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and obviously you're looking for power saving mode, or as it's called right here, battery saver. For me it is on the first page, but if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page. If you don't see it right here, you can also tap on this pencil and this would show you toggles that are turned off, which you can then grab, drag over and drop it to add new toggles. Now once you see your toggle here, you can simply press on it. As you can see, it changes to being on, and that's it. It also adds this red outline around your battery just so you're aware that it is right now enabled. And the reason that might be important to you is because most of the power saving modes tend to mess with connectivities. So if you experience delays in notifications or email fetching, or just that it's not happening at all when you're not using the device, just know that this is a battery saver, preserving your battery basically. Now once you're done with your power saving mode, you can just tap on a toggle once again to turn it off and your device will go back to functioning normally. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.